The Federal Reserve, after hiking 75 basis points in the July meeting, decided that they anticipated further rate hikes ahead. They said they needed to move to a restrictive policy. They said it was required for them to meet their policy goals of low unemployment and stable inflation. The pace of future rate hikes, however, was data dependent, and it was a little tricky to read these minutes and get a read on a 50 or 75 from the September minutes, and I'll explain why here in a second. They said it would likely be appropriate to slow the pace of tightening at some point. No indication when that would actually happen. But after the 75 basis point hike, the funds rate was seen by several participants in the range of the long run range of its neutral rate. But some participants thought because inflation remains high, it was still below the shorter run neutral rate, meaning the Fed had more work to do in that regard. Some expected the Fed to hike and maintain the level for some time. We haven't seen that language before, although several Fed officials did sort of talk about that idea that it was likely the Fed would reach a certain level and stay at that level rather than cutting, which is what the market has priced in now. There was also quite a bit of concern about tightening too much. In fact, many were concerned about that, so that's important. But overall, there were a lot of hawkish talk about inflation. Inflation was seen as unacceptably high and broad-based. And this is interesting. The decline in commodity prices was not seen as enough for the Fed to be comfortable that inflation was coming down. They said it was broad-based, and they said commodity prices can go up, they can go down. They want to see broader-based declines in inflation to be comfortable about that. There was little evidence, they said, of inflation pressures that were subsiding, and they said inflation could stay comfortably high for some time. And just a real quick thing on the economic outlook, they did say the second quarter saw a noticeable slowing, but they did see growth in the second half of this year. Tyler?